So, this is Chris Morella of iTeam Bill Gates. Um, the next sort of very interesting tool is IObit Toolbox, which is a very interesting tool for something that you can put on a portable drive and actually use it to clean up computers. And I'm fairly surprised with the amount of utilities they have in this for freeware, where it can do a registry. It has a couple of basic sort of categories that have categories within them. It's a very interesting tool too. Let's start at the top. Settings, you can set it so that it's a custom tool box. Put your own picture and name into it and language. So basically you can clean your computer, is the first setting, or you can do a registry cleaner, which brings you into all of your registry files, which can help you speed up your computer quite a bit when it starts to slow down, especially with web sort of operations. Privacy Sweeper pretty much cleans your histories and all that kind of stuff from the web. You can select which, it supports a number of web browsers that you may be using, even Safari. They have an uninstaller program, which I guess is good if you can't get certain things. It seems to work faster too than the Windows sort of setup, and it probably gives you a lot more options. You can even do a forced uninstall for programs that are really giving you troubles with uninstalling. Disk cleaner sees how much space you can clean up from your disk. Since I'm on VMware, obviously it shows a very small amount of disk space, but anyway. And a file shredder, which is interesting. You can secure your files, very secretive files or folders or even the recycle bin, and have them, if somebody attempts to hack into your account or hack into your computer, you can have them, the files destroy themselves and not leave a trace. Kind of sketchy, actually. Then there's the Optimize, which the first setting is Smart RAM, which optimizes memory usage. So you can sort of, it shows you your CPU level, your RAM level, and your page file, and you can alternate it to work more efficiently. You can do an internet booster, which is interesting because you can set how much bandwidth you're giving to something. It's a very unique program and works with multiple browsers. Startup Manager, which helps you get better startup times and manage what's starting and what's not without having to go through Windows program, Windows Standard Startup Manager. You can schedule tasks, add programs, refresh, all that kind of stuff. But registry defrag. Detects how heavily fragmented the registry is, and it's another way to optimize the working speed of your computer, reduce fragments, repair structures, so that you don't have an unstable system. A smart defrag, which is hard drive defragmenter, which is a very good thing. Unfortunately, you have to also install that onto this. It doesn't come with it. Game booster, if you are playing some kind of game, it's another add-on for the system. They have repairs, a very interesting one, undelete. When you have already deleted something out of your box, you can actually go back and get it from beyond the grave, which is very helpful. Shortcut fixer, if you have shortcuts that don't work with anything anymore because of a deleted program or whatnot, you can actually go in and repair or delete them. Disk check, which does an analysis of your disks, your hard disk, to make sure everything is working properly, which is a very good tool. Helps you analyze your Windows operation system and fix any found problems. So overall, this stuff is just repairing your computer, but making it much easier to do. Security, you can even set up security on your computer, which is very helpful. Look for holes in your security on your computer. Manages processes running on your computer. It's basically the process manager that comes with the computer, but a bit better with showing you all this information and giving you control in one unified spot. Driver manager, see a list of your drivers, very important when you're having issues with a driver to restore them or even back them up and update them, which is very nice. And as a complete security system, which is another add-on sort of for the program. Then control is just another more in-depth system for Toolbox of looking for cloned files, all that kind of stuff, all stuff that's wasting space on your computer, making it less efficient. Disk Explorer analyzes drives, shows you the overview, big folders, occupy valuable space, system information, kind of like Specky, but yeah, it's pretty much close to the same thing as Specky, but it just comes in a portable option. If you find empty folders, that's another helpful thing, and system control helps you change your operating system. All very, very intricate but helpful because they've been set up into one complete package that can go through the entire computer and get it running much better.